Hello everyone and welcome to today's English speaking class. In this video, we will learn English through short and simple stories. Stories are the best way to practice speaking in English because they're easy to remember and fun to repeat. Each story has short sentences with easy words. So let's begin with our first story. Ramesh and his new house. This is Ramesh. This is Ramesh. He is a young man. He is a young man. Ramesh lives in a small town. Ramesh lives in a small town. He has a big dream. He has a big dream. He wants to buy a new house. He wants to buy a new house. Every day Ramesh goes to work. Every day Ramesh goes to work. He works in an office. He works in an office. In English, when a word begins with an vowel sound, we use an instead of a. For example, we don't say a office because it feels hard to pronounce. We say an office and it flows better. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Example: apple, elephant, inkpot, orange, umbrella. He saves money carefully. He saves money carefully. Ramesh does not waste money. Ramesh does not waste money. He keeps his dream in mind. He keeps his dream in mind. After 5 years, Ramesh has enough money. After 5 years, Ramesh has enough money. He looks for a house. He looks for a house. He finds a small but beautiful house. He finds a small but beautiful house. The house has 2 bedrooms. The house has 2 bedrooms. It also has a kitchen and a hall. It also has a kitchen and a hall. In English, we use it for animals, objects, places, and even nature, like a tree, the sun, the moon, rain, sky. Example: it is a big tree. It is raining. It is a mountain. It is a dog. It is a house. It is very hot. It is a big city. It is a beautiful park. It is a huge building. Ramesh is very happy. Ramesh is very happy. He calls his parents. He calls his parents. His parents come to see the house. His parents come to see the house. They also feel happy. They also feel happy. Ramesh buys the house. Ramesh buys the house. Here we can say a house or the house. Now both are correct, but the meaning is different. A house means any house, not a specific one. Example: I want to buy a house, any house. The house means a particular one that we already know or talk about. Example: I like the house near the park. Ramesh buys the house that we know about. The first night, Ramesh sleeps in his new home. The first night, Ramesh sleeps in his new home. A house is just a building with 4 walls, a roof, doors, and windows. A home is a feeling, the place where you live with love, family, comfort, and memories. He feels proud. He feels proud. He feels safe. He feels safe. He feels peaceful. He feels peaceful. Ramesh thanks God. Ramesh thanks God. He calls his friends. He calls his friends. His friends come to visit. His friends come to visit. They eat food together. They eat food together. They laugh and talk. They laugh and talk. Ramesh finally lives his dream. Ramesh finally lives his dream. Here, lives, living means to be alive or to enjoy life. Example, Ramesh lives in Mumbai. And leaves, leaving means to go away. Example, Ramesh leaves the office at 6 pm. Ramesh is leaving for school. That was the end of our first story. I hope you have learned something from it. Now let's begin with our second story. Listen carefully and try to repeat every sentence after me. Rahul and his dog. Rahul is a boy. Rahul is a boy. He lives in a small village. He lives in a small village. Rahul loves animals. Rahul loves animals. One day he finds a puppy. One day he finds a puppy. The puppy is very small. The puppy is very small. It looks hungry. It looks hungry. The word it is used for animals when you still don't know whether it's a male or female. Rahul takes the puppy home. Rahul takes the puppy home. He gives it milk. He gives it milk. The puppy drinks the milk happily. The puppy drinks the milk happily. Rahul names it Tommy. Rahul names it Tommy. Tommy is white and brown. Tommy is white and brown. He runs around the house. He runs around the house. He plays with Rahul. He plays with Rahul. Today we learned English through some short stories. Each story gave us simple sentences with easy words. Remember, practice makes you better every day. Try to speak these stories again by yourself. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become in English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Your support gives me energy to bring more lessons for you. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next class with yet another English lesson. Till then, have a great time.